Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the back button. Once you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up, which will take a few seconds. In the meantime, we can go to our iPhone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Zepp with two, not Zepp, Zepp, Z-E, come on, Z-E-P-P, and search. And you should see this application on the list, Zepp, with this icon. Tap on the get button to download and install the application. Now let's go to our watch. It should already be turned on, and as you can see, we have the list of languages. Scroll through it, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it. And it will tell us to download the Zepp application. Press the select button, and you will see the QR code, which we will need later on. Now let's wait until the application is done installing. It's taking a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, the application is done installing, and now we can tap on open. In the app, you will need to log in into AMAZFIT account. If you don't have one, you can always create one by tapping on sign up. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password. Then tap on login, of course. Apparently I entered the password incorrectly. Let me check. Okay, now it should be good. Tap on login. And now in the app you will see a bunch of pop-ups about the permissions. The Bluetooth permission is required, so tap on allow. Then we have location permission. This one is not required, but if you want to use features like weather and stuff like that, it's recommended. And then we have the location permission, not location, but notification permissions. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, I'm gonna allow all of them, but you can deny some of them if you want to. And then we have the password we don't care about. And now you should see the home page of the app. Let me actually increase the brightness a bit. Now it should be better. And then we can tap on device, watch, agree, allow the required permission. It will open the camera app, and what we need to do is to point the iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code, and we'll start pairing the devices. Here tap on pair, allow or deny the permission for notifications. And now we can tap on next, and here we have some permissions we can deal with. For example, if you want to be able to start calls from your watch, you will need to enable some features. You can skip this if you don't care, but if you want to use it, tap on enable and allow the permission and add some contacts to the list. You can tap on share all contacts or select specific contacts. I'm gonna select contact, and let's say this one and this one, then tap on continue. Then tap on allow selected contacts. Next we have the calendar sync. Basically, if you want to see the notifications about the events from your calendar, you need to enable the required permission. If you don't care, you can skip it, of course. Then we have the Wi-Fi. You can basically add the Wi-Fi network to your watch. This is useful for the updates and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to add it, tap on add. find the network you want to connect to, then enter the password if it's password protected, and then tap on connect. And if you enter the password correctly, it should basically connect to the network like this, and we can tap on OK. And finally you have the done option, done, and now the watch should be on the device page. On the watch we can select the size of the font, then press the select button to continue, and now you should see the watch face and your watch should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.